You nailed him. Listen, watch him, watch him. Watch him. Dude, you told, oh, I forgot to follow him with the camera. He just crashed right there. I mean, he's right there.
Dude.
Man, was that intense. I can't believe he walked right up to that bucket like that.
He's groaning.
There's your death groan. It's 5 after 5. We've been here for less than an hour. We've been here for 40 minutes. Wow, you nailed him. I mean, you got him right on the money. Perfect shot. I hope I got everything on this video. Yeah, he's toast, man. He got good lung blood on there. We might want to leave. We should have probably left the thermocells on until we get this photo shoot done. You see blood here? There's the blood start. Here's the trail. This is the trail he came in on. This is where he tried to jump the log. Yeah, he tried to jump the log right here and just wiped out. It's a pretty decent yearling bear. I mean, he's not a bad bear. He's not huge by any means, but...
Yeah, and he's covered with blood.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, right there's where he tried to go over the log. Alright, are you happy with him?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Bear.
Pretty nice bear. Not huge or nothing, but he's a decent bear. And not bad for a first bear. This is the third bear we've killed off this bait in the last few years. And there's still at least one more, maybe two more that have been hitting it off. So. And it's opening day, September 1st. And we were only in the stand for about 40 minutes, and all of a sudden I looked up and here comes the bear. He was a ways away, but then he approached real cautiously, and when he came to the bait, he milled around there a little bit and looked the place over, and then Sterling made a perfect shot on him, nailed him. The arrow went in about the back of the rib cage on the right side and looked like it went through the heart and came out through just below the shoulder on the left side. So good job, Sterling. All right, now the real work begins, huh?